When you create funny ads for your business, it like breaks all the rules. Okay, you think about like Dollar Shave Club, right? What was their slogan? Like our blades are like engraved or whatever. That business ended up selling for like $1 billion cash. Like absolutely crazy. One of my favorites was when Geico did so easy that even a caveman could do it, or so simple that even a caveman could do it. The caveman has nothing to do with car insurance. So when people are like, oh, but Christine, my business isn't funny, I can't make it funny. What does literally a caveman have to do with car insurance? You know, or you have the Old Spice commercial where the guy, he's like half human, like half horse, and he's like standing in a shower and he's saying, you wish your, man smelled like me, or whatever it is. What does a man who's half man, half horse have to do with body wash? Nothing. Every business can be funny, and most businesses are not funny off the bat. You can make it funny, and there's a million ways to make every single business funny. I can 100% say when I started doing funny marketing for everything I sold, and I've sold everything from info products to brick and mortar to tamales to invitations to webinars and challenges to my coaching programs. And when you have a good funny ad, it wildly brings a ton of traffic to your business. And you know what more eyes and clicks on your ads mean? More people buying your stuff. Funny ads break all the rules. There's no reason why any business should not be throwing in funny ads into their business.